Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. Today's video, I'm actually incredibly excited to talk about this new app that is paying Uber and Lyft drivers. You don't want to miss this video. And please thumbs up the video. Okay, so without further ado, I'm gonna get straight into it. I don't like to BS. I don't like to waste your guys' time. I know you guys are working hard. You're probably in between a ride right now. If you're an Uber or a Lyft driver or any gig worker, this app applies to you, okay? This app is called Current. Current is a new bank account. It's a new savings account. It's a new finance. It's basically the future of banking. They're super new, and what they do is they are gonna pay you up to 2 days faster when you sign up for direct deposit, and they're gonna you're gonna get no overdraft fees of up to $200 when you're negative. And the best part about it is they're paying drivers 4% interest APY, and I have a link down below. Sign up for Current, and you gotta make sure you use my link. And again, you get 4% APY. What does that mean? So let's say you have $1,000 in there, you're gonna earn $40 per year that you have that money sitting in that account. And if you know anything about residual income and compound interest, the next year you're gonna get 4% interest on 1,040. So it's even gonna go up. It's gonna go up and up and up, and it's a great way to boost your savings. And the sky's the limit. The more money you have saving, the more money you're gonna generate. And not only that, they're gonna send you a Current debit card when you sign up. And every time you use that card, you can use it for your gas, you can use it for anything. They're gonna pay you up to 15 times rewards points, which you're gonna be able to redeem for cash. So this is one of the best ways. It's not a credit card, it's a debit card. So you can put money into it that you make from driving Uber, put in $5 here, $10 there. It slowly adds up. And this way you have a big savings account that you have for a rainy day. Your car breaks down and you need to pay $500. Well, who cares? You already got $2,000 in that savings account. Put $500 there and you keep driving. So this is a great way if you know anything about personal finance, or me, I love personal finance. So check out Current down below. Thanks for watching, and make sure you take advantage of that special offer right now. Bye now.